Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, hard disk drive media storage, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.